Do you want to know how to make money online? Well, then just follow these simple instructions and I will show you how. Step 1 is to click and play the video. Step 2 is to watch it for at least 10 seconds. Step 3 is to cash out your earnings. Hey guys, welcome back to Arena at Home. I do how-to online videos as well as work from home gigs. So if this sounds like something that you're interested in, please consider subscribing to my channel for more of that great content. So right now, I would like you to take a look at all of these videos right here on your phone that can help you make a lot of money online. If you're wondering how much money you can make from watching videos, consider this. If you watch for 1 hour, you can easily earn $40. If you watch for 2 hours, you can earn $80. And if you watch for 3 hours, you can earn $120. And you can do this as many times as you like. And it's completely free, which means you won't need any money to get started. And yes, it's available worldwide. All you need is a smartphone, a tablet, a laptop, or a computer to get started. And you can start making money right now. So in this video, I will show you how to create a free account and give a bunch of tips. I will also show you which videos will pay you the most money, and I will also show you a demonstration on how to do it, so you can see me do it step by step on this video. Okay, so first and foremost, I would like to introduce you to the swingbucks.com, which is a website that is willing to pay you money. See, you can get paid every 15 seconds on this website. And there are a lot of videos and channels that you can watch to make money online, with the earning potential being limitless. Also, you can earn money for free in various ways on this website. First, you may see advertising and earn money online. Second, you can click on the clicks grid and get money as well. This is a cool strategy, and at the end of this video, I will show you something as a bonus, so make sure you keep watching. But today's focus is simply watching videos. As you can see, you can watch a video but be paid for it. So right now, I just want to remind you to watch the entire video so you can understand everything and get started making money online. Step 1. I want you to go ahead and click here, which will take you to the registration page. You can register on any device you're using. Full name, username, password, email address. You confirm your password. Now the second part, which is your payment account. And once you get into your PayPal account, you can receive your money in Perfect or in Pay by simply entering your payment information, such as your PayPal email address in this box. So once you've completed everything, you must complete the image verification. Activation required. We've sent you an email. Please check your email inbox to activate your account. So go ahead and activate your account. Come to where it says member login and login. Step 2. Once you've logged into your account, you will see a variety of commercials and videos that you can view to earn money online. So as you can see, there are a lot of various companies on this website, which means you have a lot of different options to look at daily adverts. So for those of you who are still watching, first bonus tip I will give you is to concentrate on micro ads. The reason is that you can make money online simply by watching 10-second videos. As you can see, after 10 seconds of the video ad playing, you will switch to a normal video. All you have to do now is keep watching and wait for the next video ad to appear, and you will be able to earn a lot of money. Before we continue, please subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. So let's get back to work and earn more money. So now I want to give you another bonus tip. You can actually turn off the volume of the video, as you can see here. Just click on this one to mute the video and turn off the volume. So this is a very powerful method where you can watch multiple videos at the same time with the volume turned off. So that's how you can make money online by watching videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.